Everyone, welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is branches of economics. As in the previous video, we already started playlist for the subject managerial economics. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the branches of economics. As we already studied the different topics related to it, like meaning of economics, nature of economics, and so on. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is branches of economics. So basically there are two branches of economics on the basis of the purpose of the economics. We'll discuss here. On the basis of the economic issues and problems, the subject matter of economics is divided into two main branches or a scope of problems. The term of microeconomics and macroeconomics were firstly used by Professor of Oslo University, Norway, Ragnar Frisch in 1933. So there are two main branches of economics, which are microeconomics and macroeconomics. So what is the meaning of micro and macroeconomics? So microeconomics is the study of particular firms, particular households, individual prices, wage incomes, individual industries, particular commodities, and so on. Micro means small. So basically microeconomics is deals with the wages of individual worker, profit of individual firms, and so on. Now what is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics means large. Macro word meanings means large. So it deals with the functioning of the economy as a whole of a particular nation. It doesn't deal with the individual profits, firm's profit, individual wages, salary, and so on. So these are the two branches of economics. I again summarize all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So basically there are two branches of economics, which are micro and macro, and it is firstly used by Ragnar Frisch, who is a professor of Oslo University. Microeconomics is related with the wages of individual person, profit of individual firms, and so on. Whereas macroeconomics deals with the functioning of whole of economy. So this is all about micro branches of economics. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know what any other topic related to research methodology, business management, managerial economics, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.